สวัสดีค่ะ I am Bud. Welcome to Learn Thai with Busa. All videos in this playlist aim to introduce each sound of Thai consonant, and this video is about the sound of ho and haw.
At the time of preparing this video, I decided not to use English alphabet to spell Thai sound, so you won't see any reading guide for each sound. The reason is Thai language is vowel-oriented, that is, vowel combination play a major role in spoken sound. This video aims to help you familiarize with sound, so I recommend the most natural and simplest way, that is, keep focus to the sound you hear. Listen carefully and mimic the sound. Do it again and again. Your ear and your brain will be trained to understand more and more Thai sound. In addition, if you are now in Thailand, you may come across many road signs and nameplates in which the transliterated written form may or may not be congruent with sound. I will show you some examples of these words in the last slide of this video. From the first video in this playlist, you've known that of 44 letters, we've got only 21 sounds, which can be grouped into 3 groups. Haw and haw are the same sound. They are paired. Haw is in high class, while haw is in low class. This slide is just to let you know basic information. You don't need to remember. But if you want to go on to a further step, this information will benefit you. And if you are ready, let's start!
หอหีบหอหีบฮอนกฮูกฮอนกฮูกHaw and haw sound is similar to sound in English, like hot, heart, house. For example, heap, heap. นกฮูกนกฮูกหายใจหายใจเฮือกเฮือกห้าห้า In written Thai name of places and people, haw and haw are always transliterated to h and pronounced h. These are names of places in Thailand. หัวหินหัวหินแม่ห้องสอนแม่ห้องสอนสัตหีบสัตหีบ The following are people's name หัตถยาหัตถยาหัดสดินหัดสดิน
I hope you enjoy learning haw and haw sound. If you have any question or comment, please leave it below. The next sound of Thai consonant is the last one. Please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe this video and you won't miss out. And please share this to your friends so they can learn with you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.